Volume honest review, watch before using. Volume honest review, watch before using. If you're a performance marketer, media buyer, or running a multi-platform ad strategy, Volume could be your go-to ad tracking software. Volume is built to give you precise tracking, in-depth analytics, and real-time optimization, allowing you to maximize ROI. One of its standout features is the powerful visual reporting dashboard, which helps you analyze user journeys, track conversion points, and identify top-performing campaigns at a glance. The platform's traffic distribution AI and auto-optimization are particularly helpful if you're managing high volumes of ad traffic across different sources. You can automate traffic flow to top-performing offers, reducing the need for constant manual adjustments. Volume also supports multiple tracking methods, including click and postback URLs, which is essential for networks and traffic sources with varying integration needs. Volume's detailed analytics let you filter data by multiple metrics such as devices, OS, geolocation, and even IP addresses, which is ideal for granular audience segmentation. Additionally, Volume's mobile app keeps you connected on the go, so you can monitor performance anytime. Volume's tracker supports a wide range of integrations, including Google Ads, Facebook, and even affiliate networks, allowing you to centralize all your marketing data in one place. The platform is cloud-based, which means no downtime or missed data, a big plus if you need reliable data logging 24/7. This platform is best for professionals who need precision and automation to scale ad campaigns efficiently, especially affiliate marketers and media buyers who work with a high volume of traffic. However, Volume's price point is on the higher side, so it may not be the best choice for beginners or smaller budget campaigns. If you're running campaigns at scale and need the automation and real-time data it offers, Volume is a worthwhile investment. On the downside, the learning curve can be steep, especially if you're new to tracking software, but Volume's support resources and guides can be helpful in onboarding. Overall, Volume is designed for marketers who value high-level insights, control, and automation to optimize ad campaigns at scale. If that sounds like you, it's definitely worth considering.